Hey everyone, just a really quick video today. I recently got the Rode Videomic Pro Plus and the Deadcat that comes with it, which is a wind reducing shield. Wasn't sure how to fit these two on because obviously one doesn't fit on the other. So I quickly made a call to Rode. They answered within a minute and told me how to do it. All you need to do is, this doesn't look like it comes off, but it does. You just slide that off and simply slide the other one on. It's as easy as that. They just line up into the grooves and you're ready to go. Hope that was useful to you. If it was, give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you come along and subscribe and join me on my journey. Thanks for listening. Hope you have a great day. See ya.